This is cat number 5. He's very vocal.
Whopper of a bobcat. Meow.
I've caught hundreds of coyotes, tons of bobcats, beavers, otters, raccoons, you name it, I've trapped it. Caught this guy last night. Whoa, there's the spray.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death,
I'm gonna take you along with me and teach you everything you need to know about how to trap. Pull it up. It's not rocking at all. It is solid. I'm gonna push my levers down at an angle. So I made kind of a trail set, make it look like a bird laid an egg right here. Trapping really opens up more opportunities for you as a hunter if you enjoy hunting and harvesting your own food. It's a great opportunity to meet people, to make connections, and to promote trapping in a positive light. 7 total off of this property.
And we got ourselves a nice beaver.
It's clean. Trapping season's coming up and I get excited about like the catches that I'm about to catch. I hope you guys enjoy the trapping masterclass and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm here for you guys.